Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be painting my steel wheels. That's right, we're going to be painting them because I took the hubcaps off about a week ago. They're rusty and what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand them down. I'm then going to use this anti-rust sealant blue paint because I'm going to paint them blue because why not? I'm also going to be covering up some scratches on my car because my car has been keyed, which is very annoying, but it's just one of those things that happen in life. Even though I covered up some key marks less than a week ago. Oh well. I have no clue if this is going to be enough paint, but we're going to see what we can do. We're currently in Morrison's car park. I've got some sandpaper here. We're going to sand the wheels down. We're then going to go take the car to the car wash. I'm going to spray the car down. Then we're going to be painting the wheels. Yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, let's get to it. Lovely fresh new scratch. Cheers. I have dried the wheel, I have taped it up around the edge, kind of in a weird pattern, but it's taped up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this pot of paint and, is this too big? Well, we'll find out. I'm going to paint the wheel and hope for the best. So here's what the wheel looks like now. It's not done, as you can see. There's lots of little bits to touch up, but it's wet and it's a thick paint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it to dry and I'm going to work on another wheel while this is drying and then come back round to touch up all the other bits. It's looking good now, so I can do the touch up. Now it's time to show you the outcome of the wheels. Now let me just say, they didn't come out the best. So here we go, here's one wheel, then we got a second wheel. Go around the car. We got wheel number 3 and wheel number 4. Now as you can see, I got a little bit on the tyres. This one's not completely finished off around the rim. This one's laid on a little too thick. So the wheels aren't in 100% the best condition, but they're in an okay condition. They look good when I drive and that's all that matters at the moment. I will be touching it up because I still have about half the pot of paint left. So I will be touching it up at a later date after it's dried and I've driven it about. We'll see if it chips and, you know, things like that. Paintbrush I used, I don't know if I'd recommend using this paintbrush again. It was a very thick paintbrush, maybe not the best choice, which is why it came out the way it did. And on the wheel on the other side where I didn't completely get around the edges, unfortunately I didn't even have any tape to go around that wheel because I ran out. So how annoying. Anyways, I don't know if you can tell, but there is actually a coat on here at the moment, just trying to finish off covering up the scratch. I'll be waxing off as soon as I finish the video, but Honestly, tell me, what do you guys think? Is the blue good? I won't be keeping the blue forever. I'm hoping to go to 17-inch alloys at some point, but until then, the blue is what it is. I also plan on getting hubcaps at a later date. I have something on my face, brilliant. I do plan on getting hubcaps at a later date just to look better, but it's just the blue for now because I thought blue would look cool, better than the normal alloys. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Adios, my mis amigos. I shall see you guys all in the next video. Thank you for joining me as I painted my steel wheels and tried to get rid of marks from where people had keyed my car. Until next time, bye-bye.
Like this video!
I try to be everything that I can, but sometimes I come out as being nothing. I try to be everything that I can, but sometimes I come out as being nothing. I pray to God that He make me a better man.